I am using this for Ford Endeavour and Toyota Fortuner, great result and works good. Easy to use product, though packaging could be improved a bit. Comes with a carry bag. This is by far the best tire inflator I've had and used. Quality product, accurate measurements, compact and very easy for use. Thank you. Lovely. It run with adapter of car, or you can buy optional AC adapter to use it. It can use in bike and car too. Automatic. Manual air and flame top. Great build quality, accurate and easy to operate. Just received product today. Used it to check tire pressure and inflate tire for my car as well as bike. Awesome product, works very nicely. Important thing is, it shuts off automatically. Must have for all car owners. Very essential tool. Many times I have used and found very useful and working fine. Accurate measurement. Auto fill mode. Good product. Value for money. 1 year warrant plus 2 year extended warranty free. It's an amazing product which comes handy and also easy in using, which is very accurate. Loved it. Highly recommend product. Very good product and easy to use. Easy to use and work faster. Simple, compact and easy to use. The inflator fills 0.5 to 1 psi extra, default designed than the set size for the car and little higher in case of bike. This has been set for the adjustment for air leakage during removing the lock from the tube. But air can be released by pressing the knob without locking it to the tube and then subsequently adjusted for the correct side. Must need for car owners in case of flat tire emergencies. Make use of the product at this reasonable cost under reasonable warranty of 2 years and friendly customer care. I am writing this review after using this product. I do have used 2 different makes tire inflator with analog meter for 2 years and more. TUSAR is more accurate and have auto cutoff option which makes roll changer here. Noise level and vibration is pretty much less than compared to other tire inflator. Light provided with TUSAR is very good and bright one. TUSAR comes with 2 years warranty which most of tire inflators don't have. TUSAR is lightweight and easy to carry, compact one. Just like Amazon, TUSAR tire inflator is also amazing product, having efficiency, accuracy and quality better than other tire inflators in the market. No worries regarding malfunction in product because of 2 years warranty provided by TUSAR. Excellent product. I am using for my SUV Creta diesel 17-inch tires. Works very efficiently. I have compared all similar products considering digital meter reading, performance, product quality and price. Recommended for all car owners to purchase this product without second thought. GRT product. Easy to carry and easy to use with accuracy. Excellent product. It's very portable. From 29 psi to 33.5 psi in less than 40 seconds. I was shocked when I am pumping air into my KUV 100 tires. Very less noise. But because of very lightweight product, if you keep on the floor during action it will move a little bit. 100% worth. Excellent car inflator in terms of build quality and easy to operate and styling. I ordered this product on the 22nd of August 2020, Sunday. I did not believe when it was given delivery date on the 23rd of August 2020. But they kept their promise and it was delivered on the 23rd of August 2020. The packing is good and it was delivered without a scratch. I used today only. The cable length is sufficient to reach both the rear tires comfortably. The plug-in adapter is sturdy. The tire plug is also strong. I put set pressure of 33 psi. It exactly stopped at the set pressure. I feel it is calibrated accurately. Simple to use. Overall look is good. I am more happy to have this product. The only con I have observed is a little bit noisy. But I never used other producers earlier for the relative comparison. Thanks Amazon, thanks Tusa. This product is value for money and is useful for those who travel outside of the city where there is no availability of inflating tires. In case of emergencies. I used this product and found it to be very good and useful for car and bike. This comes with different adapters and can even inflate a football and bicycle. Before filling in the pressure, it gives you the initial sigh. Results are accurate. The product is very good and very fast. In about 5 minutes I was done for all of my car tires. Only one thing bugs me, which is the noise from the compressor. Rest is very good. Much recommended. Update: received a free gift of Tusa magnetic phone holder after WhatsApping DSS of Amazon review to the number mentioned on the packaging. Appreciate such warm gesture. I saw this product on review with many auto reviewers, but unlucky it was out of stock with both Tusa and Amazon until I found this seller selling a last piece. So ordered immediately. Now coming to the review. It took 5 days to reach me. The packaging was well made and the product was undamaged. I used it to check the tire pressure on all the 4 tires on my i20 185/65 R15 tires. All the tires was approximately 6 psi lower than recommend, so I used to fill all of them to 33/31 of a psi for front and rear tires. It took around 1 minute and a half for each tires. Click link in description for more review.